Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can add zip code to Vanilla gift card. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, log in to your Vanilla gift card account. Then navigate to the Manage Cards section and select the Assign Zip Code option. After that, click on the Add Zip Code option and add the desired code. Now, use the activated gift card at the checkout page as the payment method using the zip code. Alternatively, you can call the toll-free number on the back of your Vanilla gift card, 1-833-322-6760, to add a zip code. And that's how you can add zip code to Vanilla gift card. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.